Welcome to this new video. Today I will explain to you step by step how to create an account on the LSSC platform with ease. First, open your browser and go directly to the search bar. Type lssce.com and press the search button or enter to access the official website. Once you enter the site, you will notice that it performs a verification process through the Cloudflare system. All you have to do is wait a few seconds until this verification is automatically completed. After successfully passing the verification, the home page of the site will appear. Here, click directly on the Register Now button to start the registration process. The registration page will now open, where we will carefully fill in the required information. First, select your correct country code from the list, then enter your phone number correctly. After that, choose a strong and easy-to-remember password, then re-enter the password again in the confirmation field. Next, you will find a verification code field. Write the code that appears in the image correctly. In the last field, which is for the invitation code, enter the invitation code that I will leave for you in the description of this video, or you will also find it in the pinned comment below the video. After making sure all the information you entered is correct, check the box to agree to the terms of use. Then click the Register Now button to complete the account creation process. After successfully completing the registration, we will now proceed to log into our new account. All you have to do is click the Login button, then enter the same phone number you used during registration and the password you created. After that, click the Login button again, and with this, you will have successfully created a new account and logged into the LSSC platform, and you are now ready to explore the platform's other services. If you face any problem during the registration process, do not hesitate to leave your question in the comments, and I will help you, God willing. And don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and liking the video so I can continue providing you with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.